You can have me, but I'm not stepping out of anything because I'm perfectly safe.
Can I check your eyes as part of field sobriety to make sure that you're okay to be driving?
I don't know if I have it on me.
You don't know if you have any eyes on you?
Hello and welcome to the latest version of the Lens Reacts. We got a nice story for you today. We have a young lady that is supposed to be a designated driver for her friend down in Tampa, Florida. However, this designated driver she probably should not be designated to drive. She starts off as a very happy drunk. However, toward the end, she turns very belligerent. So without further ado, let's get it started.
On September 11th, police conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for an improper lane change.
That nightlife down in Tampa. Oh, she's a regular person, y'all.
Hi. Listen, hi.
How you doing, ma'am?
Hi, this is my hand.
I see your hand.
I'm not gonna be a bad person.
That's good.
I tell the truth. I'm an honest and regular human being who tells the truth, and I don't want to get in trouble. I just want to go home. Wait, I didn't even drink out here. I didn't even fucking drink out here. I just came to pick up my friend. I just want to go home.
Notice she said she didn't drink out here. She didn't say she wasn't drinking. She said she didn't drink out here. So she was already drunk on arrival. But let's continue.
I just want to go home.
I didn't stop you, ma'am. I don't know why they stopped
No, you didn't stop me, but I just want to go home, okay?
Stay in the car.
No, I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go out. I'm not going to go.
Get in the car.
Hey, don't be mean to me. I
Then
didn't do nothing.
Then listen.
When you're on a traffic stop, please don't get out the car.
I don't like that. I didn't do nothing. No. Don't talk to me later.
Sit down, ma'am.
I'm sitting down. Look.
Don't touch me.
I would never.
Now he's touching the webcam. Come on. You have got to be kidding me. She done tapped dude on the webcam. She getting out the car. People, don't get out the car on a traffic stop unless they specifically ask you to. And when they ask you to, you're about to get arrested. So stay your butt in the car and keep your hands up, please. Especially if you look like me. Do not do all this. And these people are being very nice.
Just did.
Look. See? I swear I don't mean nothing bad by you.
Sit down.
Okay. I want to go though. Oh no. See him?
Did you already talk to him?
No.
Yeah, I got
the other guy. No, it wasn't me. You guy. Hi.
What's going on?
I just want to go home. I don't have nothing. I just talk a lot of shit. I just talk a lot. I talk too much.
What's your name?
Yeah, she definitely talks too much, but being drunk makes you even looser of the tongue.
Tobian.
What is it?
Tobian.
Toby Air?
And.
Toby Ann, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's loud out here.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I don't know. I think they feel like I don't want. Can I go? You.
What?
Can I go? Yeah, nobody's telling me. I'm here to pick up somebody, bro. I'm not even.
Where are you coming from?
I'm everywhere. What the fuck? I'm here to pick someone up.
Okay. So where are you coming from before?
My house.
Okay.
Yeah, I live like 2 minutes away.
Where do you live at?
Nope.
Like right on 13th Street.
Okay.
Address.
Okay.
And you have my ID. Yeah. It's just look. I just want to. He doesn't like me. I don't know
what is.
What is she saying? Does anybody know what she's saying? Because I don't understand half the stuff's coming out of her mouth right now.
I just
I'm
want to
trying
go
to
home.
talk to you.
Listen.
Where,
Can I like put my butt right here?
where are we Dukes of Hazzard in here?
Right.
So yeah, why don't you just step all the way out?
No.
Now look at her now. Now she trying to seduce the cops being drunk, y'all. Look at this. She ain't being slick. That's why she want to put her butt out. Now watch this.
Oh.
Well, you're
Why?
Why would you want to sit like that?
Because it's more comfortable.
Kind of.
And my booty look good.
Well.
Mm-mm-mm.
Do you have any medical issues?
No.
No?
Why could I look crazy?
Nope. Y'all. Come on. Now she's just putting on a performance. Let's see that again.
My booty look good.
Well. Do you have any medical issues?
No.
No?
Why could I look crazy?
Well, I mean, you're kind of acting.
Do you look crazy? Are you kidding? Do you look crazy?
Yeah!
Yeah, you look real crazy.
A little
Oh, I'm sorry.
erratic,
I was only doing that because we're Ebor. Come on. All right, I'll be good. I'll be good.
Are you diagnosed with anything?
No, I've never been diagnosed with anything.
Okay.
There's nothing on my record.
Okay.
Period.
Yo, he was like, are you diagnosed with anything? He's not even saying she's drunk. He's like, are you freaking crazy? Have you been diagnosed, yo?
And I do that consciously because I understand.
Do you take any kind of medication?
No, not at all.
Okay. Do you have any kind
I have
of
no types of medical anything at all.
Okay.
Do not put that on me, sir. I don't know. I think she might have some talking about she's not on nothing. Come on. We know that's probably not true.
Whatever it is that you're trying to put on me right now, I'm perfectly sane.
Okay. Well, I'm not saying that.
Perfectly sane. Hold on, can I talk to your microphone?
No, here. Actually,
I'm not gonna touch
step
you.
out real quick.
No, sir. Unless you want me, you can have me. But I'm not stepping out of anything because I'm perfectly sane.
She's not stepping out of anything because she's perfectly sane, but if he wants her, he can have her. This is beyond drunk. Yeah, she owns something. I don't know what she owns, but she owns something. Jeez.
That's fine.
How dare you?
Can I check your eyes as part of field sobriety to make sure that you're okay to be driving?
I have it on me.
You don't know if you have any eyes on you?
I have 2 of them.
Yeah, can I check them as part of field sobriety?
Oh, yes, please.
Wait, did y'all see that? Hold on, let's go back. She up here still trying to seduce the officer. Look at this.
Check your eyes as part of field sobriety to make sure that you're okay to be driving?
I have it on me.
You don't know if you have any eyes on you?
I have 2 of them.
Yeah, can I check them as part of field sobriety?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay. Can you step outside so I can do
No!
it? Okay.
I'm not doing that.
Okay, do you wear glasses or contacts?
Sometimes.
Well, are you
But
wearing
they're-
them right now?
No.
Okay.
They're colored contacts because I like green eyes.
Okay.
Stop fucking playing with me, sir. You have a fucking mustache and I don't trust you.
Well, I'm sorry that you feel that
Do
way.
you have a fucking cam on you?
Wait, so she don't trust him because he has a mustache. Girl, what is wrong with this woman?
Because I want the cam to be catching all of
I
this.
believe that it is.
I don't trust him.
Here, listen. Can you see my light right here?
Yes.
What color is it?
Red.
All right, what I want you to do is focus on my light.
Should I?
Well, I'd like you to.
Yeah, you'd like me to. But I don't want to because I don't trust
Well,
you.
here's what's going on, okay? Right now,
Okay, touch me.
there's a possibility that
Can
you're
I hug
impaired.
you?
No.
No,
So
I'm not even the driver.
Well, I would like
Now she wants to hug him. I mean, like, come on. She's just completely throwing herself at the cop trying to get out of whatever. And she's talking about she don't trust him. This is bad. This is why, these cops have to wear body cams, because she could have easily said that she was assaulted by him. But as we see here, that is not the case. In fact, she's pulling up on him to grab his body cam, trying to hug him, twerking and doing all types of nonsense.
to check your eyes. as
I'm
part of
not
field
the
sobriety.
driver, so you don't get to determine whether I'm impaired or not.
Listen, I'd like you to.
Am I impaired? It doesn't actually fucking matter that I'm actually impaired or not. I'm not the driver of this car.
Now she is turning from a lover to a fighter. Here we go.
If you don't do the exercises, what it does is it puts me in a position to based off of everything.
I am not.
Yo, y'all see that? Hold on.
It puts me in a position to
I am not impaired. I am not the driver of this car.
So will you participate in exercises for me?
No, because you. Oh fuck me. Okay.
Y'all hear that? Go back.
Exercises for me?
No, because you. Oh fuck me. Okay. But I'm not the driver.
This woman
But
is
if I chose to actually attack or whatever the fuck it is that you're asking me, let me go. I'm asking a real ass question. Let me go. No, I want to ask you a question before I do that. No, I'm not under arrest.
You are. That's what handcuffs mean.
How you gonna tell the cops you not under arrest when you are under handcuff and you are in handcuffs and you're being led to the car? And you gonna tell them I'm not under arrest?
No. Why am I under arrest? Why? I was not driving. Driving? No. DUI means driving under intoxication.
Driving under intoxication.
Driving under intoxication. I was not driving.
Hey!
Do not bite. Let me go. Let me go. I was not driving.
Of course, she got the brother over here filming her acting a darn fool.
Is it really that serious? I was not driving.
No, you were sitting with your ass hanging out the window.
I was not.
All right, can you hear me?
Of course I can fucking hear you.
Okay. I'm Officer Baden of the Tampa Police Department.
Fuck who you are.
I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content.
I hate you.
If you fail to submit to the test I have requested of you, your privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your privilege has been previously suspended as a result of refusal to submit to a lawful test of breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to submit to the test I requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for a prior refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you'll be committing a misdemeanor.
I don't want to fucking talk to you.
Refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding. We provide a breath sample.
It's like a demon in that chick. You hear that? Y'all hear that? This chick got a demon. It's like literally she's like ingesting spirits. Literally.
You want to provide a breath sample?
Fuck you.
Okay.
I hate you. I didn't do anything to you.
Hey, will you sign one for me? Yeah, we
I didn't do anything.
I can hear you.
Oh, there's the playbook. First coming flirty, then becoming belligerent. Now she got to start crying.
I didn't do anything. Ow. Ow.
Nice quick trip to the pokey. Now you know it's about to go down. Well, you are, considering you've been arrested. You are a criminal.
I don't have anything against me. I'm not a criminal. Please, I'm not a criminal. I'm not a criminal.
So she got one Batlio already. She's on some kind of something. She's all over the place. So
Toby was charged with battery, resisting arrest without violence, and driving under the influence. She was found guilty on all 3 charges.
So even the cops were like, she's on something. So that it probably wasn't alcohol. It might have been something else. Who knows what it is? But yo, you cannot act a fool like this. She literally went through 3 emotions during that traffic stop instead of just, number 1, not even driving when you know you're high or drunk, and 2, just acting a darn fool. So what do you guys think? Was she out of line? Was the cops doing too much, or was this justified? Let me know down in the comments. Also, if you got any videos you'd like me to review, go to send an email to dlensreacts@gmail.com. That is dlensreacts@gmail.com. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every single time that I drop a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.